Hey guys, so before I start the vlog, I just want to say a huge thank you to Denise for purchasing a super thanks. Denise, thank you so much for just your support, for just watching, and then you purchased a super thanks. So I just wanted to give a good shout out to you. Thank you so much for just supporting me. So I really appreciate it. Thank you. Hey guys, so I'm here at my friend's waxing studio. I'm gonna get waxed, which I'm not excited to get waxed, but let's go. And then I have a busy day today and tomorrow and Wednesday, so I have to get this wax out of the way so I can continue to do other things that are gonna take my time. So let's go. Okay, the wax is done. Now let's go and get ready and start the day. This definitely started my day for sure. I'm all, yeah, ouchie. But I love my friend. She is probably got one of the most smoothest hands you could ever have for a waxer. And yeah, it's definitely less painful when she does it. So love it. Let's go home. All right, guys, I'm here to get Ozzy a toy. See which ones they have. Oh, this one's so cute. Sausage for a sausage dog. Look how cute these cups are. These are so cute. I love this one, the little mermaid. I guess Kylie's stuff is here. I need to get myself some of these. You like came after my friend. Ozzy, show me your toys, not your butt. He's so happy. Even though he's getting older, like every time you get like a toy, he's, don't kill that one, Ozzy, please don't.
I want that one to be like the Lorax that he just forever.
For real. Look at you all happy. You guys, I had to get my rose matcha with banana cold foam. This is the one that Richard got. He got the cafe latte with banana foam and it looks so good. Oh, it looks so delicious too. I'm so excited. All right, guys, we got our outdoor chairs from Target. We just picked them up. So super excited. I feel like they look so good. They're huge. True.
What is the deal?
Look, your socks.
Is it
Whoa,
What's
look
your
at
name?
those chips. Is that a rice cooker? It is.
6 cup rice cooker. Oh, it's a little green one.
Oh, that is
Wait.
cute.
Is it a good price though? 17 bucks.
That's not bad.
Please talk to anyone filling cashier for more details.
No thanks. I mean, it's a nice mirror, but it's $100. I don't think so. I think you could see me.
That's true.
Potato?
It's a potato.
Is it? Look how cool this is. It's like disco pens. This is nice. This here.
Sunday fun day. Look at these little.
Watch it. That's actually. Oh, that's sick. Alright, guys, we just got our rice cooker. Now we're heading off to Sprouts and get some chicken. What are we getting?
Salad.
Salad.
We have chicken.
Yes,
We're gonna get
that's
some,
it. Yeah,
like,
we need some salad, and then we'll go home. So, let's go to Sprouts. Oh, they have hot dogs there. So I'm getting them out. All the cookies and cream.
Let's do the fruity one.
Yeah.
I'll get the fruity pebble and the strawberry funnel.
Yeah.
Perfect price.
That we did. Alright guys, so we got another rice cooker. The first one died on us, so we ended up getting this one at TJ Maxx or Home Goods. This one was $16.99, so it's so cute. Just like that. Definitely doesn't look like the right color from the box. This one's a little bit darker and then that one's a bit lighter. But what's cool is that it comes with a spoon. And I'm gonna make some rice right now, so let's go. Alright guys, so we got these donuts from Sugar Mochi. And this is how they look. You deserve this. I sure do. Ooh. Ooh. Mmm. These are good. They're like fluffy and soft.
Let's see. Break this one. So you can have one of that one too. This is the strawberry funnel.
The bread is like fluffy.
Very crunchy on the outside.
Smooth on the inside.
Try the fruity.
Pebbles. I'm just not a big fan of the cereal, but I'm willing to try it. No way.